Hey everybody, Clint here from Elite Training Facility, home of Better Body Exchange, with today's exercise of the week, a pullover press. You're going to need a bench, you're going to need a dumbbell that's heavy enough to challenge the chest. Position yourself. Now, bring your body down. Your butt's going to be into the heels, feet flat. Your shoulder blades are going to be just at the top of that bench, and you're going to settle into it with the dumbbell on your chest. Bring it straight up, pull the elbows in. Now, keeping the butt down and a nice strong core, you're going to slowly lower and reach that dumbbell back behind you, feet stay flat on the floor, as low as you can go, and then pound that up into position. Keep the elbows in. Inhale down. Lower it to the floor as far back and down as you can, and power back into position. You're going to do as many reps as you can doing the pullover. Then you're going to follow that by a press. Pull the elbows in, bring it to the bottom of the chest, and then straight up to the eyebrow. So a slight arc manner. This is a great finisher for that chest to really build and work the upper pec chest area. Team, that is our exercise of the week. Have a fantastic weekend.